Life on earth is a precious gift, but it is a journey with an end. Death comes to us all. What happens after we die? This question has puzzled mankind for centuries. In Islam, many believe in an afterlife. This afterlife is often described as a place of reward or punishment. This is based on how we lived our lives on earth. Some believe in Jannah. Jannah is a place of peace, joy, and beauty. It is a place where good souls go after death. Others believe in Jahannam. Jahannam is a place of suffering and torment. It is a place where bad souls go after death. These beliefs have shaped the moral codes of many cultures. They offer hope to the righteous and a warning to the wicked. Jannah is often described as a paradise. Imagine a place of radiant light and breathtaking landscapes. Imagine fields of flowers that bloom forever. Crystal clear rivers flow with the purest water. Angels sing praises to Allah. This is the reward for a life well lived, a life of faith and righteousness. The air is filled with the joyful reunions of loved ones. They have passed on before and are now free from pain and sorrow. There is no hunger, no thirst, no sickness in Jannah. There is only everlasting peace and happiness. In this eternal paradise, the soul finds its ultimate reward. In Jannah, the soul is enveloped in Allah's mercy. Imagine being bathed in warmth and light, a feeling of pure joy. This is the embrace of Allah, a love that surpasses all understanding. This love washes away all pain and fear. It fills the soul with unimaginable bliss. In Allah's presence, there is no more sorrow or regret. There is only the perfect understanding of His divine wisdom. This is the ultimate reward of Jannah, to be reunited with the Creator, to experience His love for all eternity. How does one gain entrance to this paradise? The answer lies in living a life of goodness. It means following Allah's commandments. It means showing kindness and compassion to others. A good person helps those in need. They forgive their enemies. They strive to live a life of honesty and integrity. Their heart is pure. Their intentions are noble. They seek to please Allah in all that they do. It is through their good deeds and their unwavering faith that they earn their place in Jannah. Section 5. The fiery depths of Jahannam. A realm of eternal damnation. In stark contrast to Jannah lies Jahannam. Jahannam is a place of eternal darkness and suffering. Imagine a bottomless pit of fire. The air is thick with the stench of sulfur. Demons torment the souls trapped within its fiery depths. This is the fate that awaits those who have led a life of wickedness and sin. Their cries of anguish echo through the darkness, but there's no escape from the eternal flames. The pain is unbearable, the torment never-ending. Jahannam is a stark reminder of the consequences of choosing evil over good. Section 6. Enduring the torments of Jahannam, the price of sin. In Jahannam, the weight of one's sins becomes an unbearable burden. Imagine the guilt and shame of a lifetime of wrongdoing magnified 1,000-fold. It gnaws at the soul. It amplifies the pain of the fiery torment. This is the price of sin, the eternal suffering that awaits those who reject Allah's guidance and mercy. The torments of Jahannam are not just physical, they are emotional and spiritual as well. The soul is forever separated from Allah, cast into the outer darkness. It is a fate far worse than physical death, an eternity of regret and despair. Section 7. The criteria for entering hell, a life of wickedness. Who are these souls condemned to this fiery abyss? They are the wicked, those who have chosen to turn away from Allah. They have lived lives of selfishness and greed. They have lied, cheated, and stolen. They have caused pain and suffering to others without remorse. Their hearts are filled with darkness. Their souls are stained with sin. They have rejected Allah's laws and chosen to follow the path of evil. It is through their wicked deeds and their lack of repentance that they condemn themselves to eternal damnation. Section 8. Islamic teachings, perspectives on the afterlife. In Islam, the concepts of Jannah, heaven, and Jahannam, hell, are central, with detailed descriptions and criteria for entering them. Muslims believe in the Day of Judgment, where every soul will be judged based on its deeds and faith in Allah. The righteous are promised eternal peace and happiness in Jannah, while those who have sinned face punishment in Jahannam. These teachings emphasize the importance of faith and good deeds in the Islamic view of the afterlife. Section 9. The importance of moral living, choosing your eternal destination. The concepts of Jannah and Jahannam serve as powerful reminders of the importance of living a righteous life. The choices we make in this life have eternal consequences. Every act of charity, every selfless deed brings us closer to Allah's mercy and the promise of Jannah. Conversely, every sin, every act of cruelty leads us further down the path of darkness and towards the torments of Jahannam. The choice is ours to make. We can choose to live in the light of Allah's love or to be consumed by the shadows of our own making. The path we choose in this life determines our eternal destination.